In today's rapidly evolving world, starting a successful business may seem challenging. But armed with the right idea, creativity, and determination, you can turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. To guide you on this journey, we've curated a list of 15 unique and innovative business ideas, each with great potential in the current market landscape. Let's delve deeper into these exciting opportunities and explore how you can bring them to life. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's dive in. 1 Eco-friendly product store. With growing awareness of environmental issues, there's never been a better time to start an eco-friendly business. Launching a store that offers sustainable products can cater to the ever-increasing demand for environmentally friendly alternatives. Examples of such products include biodegradable packaging materials, reusable silicone food storage bags, bamboo toothbrushes, solar-powered gadgets, 2 customized meal planning services. As people become more health conscious, a business that provides personalized meal planning services can be a lucrative venture. Offer meal plans tailored to individual dietary requirements, lifestyles, and preferences, considering factors like allergies and intolerances, dietary preferences, e.g., vegetarian, vegan, or paleo, fitness goals, budget constraints. 3 Virtual reality, VR, experience center. As VR technology continues to advance, opening a VR experience center can be a profitable business idea. Create immersive experiences for customers, such as VR gaming, virtual escape rooms, educational experiences, e.g., exploring historical sites, virtual travel tours. 4 Eldercare services. With an aging global population, eldercare services are in high demand. Consider starting a business that offers various services to seniors, such as in-home care, meal delivery, transportation, daily activity planning and companionship. 5 Subscription box services. Subscription box services have gained popularity in recent years. Develop a niche subscription box that caters to specific interests or needs, such as gourmet snacks from around the world, art supplies and instructional materials, organic beauty products, books and literary-themed items. 6 Online education platform. The online education market is booming. Create a platform that offers courses, workshops, and resources in areas like skill development, e.g., coding, graphic design, or marketing, personal growth, e.g., meditation, time management, or public speaking, hobbies, e.g., painting, photography, or cooking. 7 Pet services. Pet owners are always looking for ways to pamper their furry friends. Start a business that offers unique pet services, such as pet sitting and boarding, gourmet pet food and treats, mobile grooming services, pet photography. 8 Remote work consultancy. With remote work becoming the norm, consider starting a consultancy that helps businesses transition to remote work models, offering services like remote work policy development, virtual team building activities, remote work technology implementation, productivity and time management strategies. 9 Personal fitness and wellness coaching. Health and wellness are always in demand. Start a business that offers personalized fitness and wellness coaching, including customized workout plans, nutritional guidance, stress management techniques, accountability and motivation. 10 3D printing services. As 3D printing technology becomes more accessible, consider offering 3D printing services, such as prototyping for inventors and entrepreneurs, customized promotional products, personalized gifts and keepsakes, architectural modeling. 11 Micro-influencer marketing agency. In today's digital age, influencers play a significant role in brand promotion. Launch a micro-influencer marketing agency that connects small businesses with niche influencers, focusing on areas such as Instagram and TikTok collaborations, sponsored blog posts and reviews, influencer-hosted events or workshops, podcast sponsorships and endorsements. 12 Niche e-commerce store. The online retail market is vast, and there's always room for niche stores catering to specific interests. Start a specialized e-commerce store that offers unique products, for example, eco-friendly fashion and accessories, handcrafted artisanal goods, specialty food and beverages, collectibles and memorabilia. 13 Mobile app development. The mobile app market continues to grow, offering a wealth of opportunities for aspiring entrepreneurs. Start a business developing mobile apps, focusing on areas such as health and wellness tracking, e-commerce solutions, productivity and organization tools, augmented reality experiences. 14. Smart home consultancy and installation. With the increasing demand for smart homes, consider starting a consultancy and installation business that specializes in smart home technology, offering services such as smart home design consultation, device installation and integration, customized automation solutions, ongoing tech support and maintenance. 15. Adventure tourism and experiences. As people seek unique and memorable experiences, starting an adventure tourism business can be a profitable venture. Offer thrilling activities and tours, such as zip lining through forests, hot air balloon rides, whitewater rafting, culinary tours and cooking classes. In conclusion, the world of entrepreneurship offers endless possibilities for those willing to take the plunge. With these 15 innovative business ideas as a starting point, you're well on your way to finding the perfect venture that aligns with your passions and skills. Remember, research, planning, and perseverance are key to turning your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Good luck on your journey to success. Thanks for watching, and I hope you try these ways to make money online. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.